Lahnaruohontie 6, Lauttasaari, Helsinki. Staircase A. In 1964 it's 12305, nice serial number, but fourth number should be 4 of course, but still. Fourth floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is in the Millipurant. It has been modernized unfortunately. Bit generic fixtures. 3 persons, 240 kilograms. Inspected by Kiva, inspected, maintained by Kone. Light is broken in this elevator. I think it will be replaced soon. Bit boring LED light of course. Fourth floor. I think it's now also LED lights. And it has been broken down. It shouldn't be happen with quite new LED light, but it's probably crappy quality. But this elevator is otherwise amazing. Like 3 other elevators in this building, they are so similar. Ground floor. That's it.